All right, moment of truth. First, we'll see. We got lights.
I heard the fuel pump.
Well, we heard
like a cat.
We heard the fuel pump. Sounded like a kitty cat.
Working or not.
Right down that way.
Okay guys, we're back for another day of working on the Bronco. We did some filming earlier for a moto vlog we're working on, so it's a little dark already, but we have quite a bit we want to do. We've got the new wheels and tires we want to get on, and we put oil in, cleaning a few things, checking out a few other things, and then we're going to try to turn it over and hope for the best. Travis, what are your thoughts coming into today?
Well, if you don't have any hope, you can't let yourself down. So that's, I mean, if it starts, I'll be excited. If it doesn't start, I won't be disappointed.
This has been your inspiration from Travis.
No funnel. Why?
We live dangerously.
Because I like to make big drinks. I guess that's all it takes. Oh no, it's still drinking.
It's like when you haven't eaten anything for a while, and so your belly shrank down. You just got to push through a little bit, and you can fit more in there. We already poured the oil in, but I didn't want to go grab my camera yet, so we didn't film it. That is some beautiful wire running.
In the next video, we're doing a wire tuck.
Oh God. For reference.
Don't forget to get that on the wire.
Travis will tuck that one.
We're going to leave the bumper on for moral support. It's the only support this thing's got.
All right, guys. Moment of truth. Whew. Anybody want to say any words? Travis, you want to say some words before?
Let's say a prayer.
I respect that. I'm backing up. I'm gonna hide behind a tree.
Lord, we come to you today not deserving, but
And not knowing your plans for us. But we do our best to try to understand. And whether this brings us joy or brings us pain, we know it is in your name. Amen.
woo! Okay, now Jesus is on our side. All right, moment of truth. First, we'll see. We got lights.
I heard the fuel pump.
Well, we heard the fuel pump. Sounded like a kitty cat.
I farted. No way!
Yes! Woo!
Wow, man.
All right, we've kind of moved it over. I don't know if y'all saw, but we moved it over a little bit, and probably should have filmed it because we got to see that the four-wheel drive does work, and got to see it move for the first time. And so now I just want Travis to give his opinion on what he thinks of Fords now.
Nothing any different.
Apparently his opinion was always high. That's what I'm getting. And how
I am surprised it started, but I didn't have my doubts, but I didn't have my hopes.
give us a little rundown on what you think will be next for the Bronco. So you just looking at it and hearing it run and whatnot.
Well, it's gonna need brakes because it's gonna have to stop. So But maybe we'll put some new plugs in it. I mean, it's got a little bit of misfire to it. It's not really that smooth. So I think that'll be our next thing. Maybe plugs and then look into brakes. We want to make sure it's like mechanically sound as far as like it's running smooth. We'll worry about brakes when we need to like actually get it moving physically.
Sounds good to me. Alright guys, it's the next day. We've got the wheels on. Travis is going to give you a little rundown of what we did yesterday and maybe what's going on next.
Yesterday we just put the fluids in, put the battery on, needed a ground terminal, did that, and anyway, fired right up. A little smoky, but that's steadily going away. Probably just burning off whatever crud's been building up over the years, and you know, trying to reseal rings and stuff. Then got the wheels and tires on after, you know, sun went down. 33s by 11, about all we can fit under there with, you know, I think without having to rub when turning. Because the plan is this is going to be like Chance's overland vehicle. If we go camping, do a bunch of motovlog stuff or something, need a support vehicle, this will be it. Camp out of it, whatever, instead of having to set up a tent at every site. So yeah, it's got pretty good ground clearance now, and you know,
And you're gonna have to hurry up because my arm is
exceeded our
tired.
expectations.
Well, that's been the rundown, and that's what we've been working on. I know it's taken quite a while to get out, but with the project as big as this, we wanted to really take our time and not rush ourselves. So we'll see you for next time.
I should have used salt. Are you left-handed?
No.
What's that for? Sometimes you gotta use your other one so it feels like someone else is doing it. You gotta follow Peter Griffin's advice and set it on your hand for a few minutes.
Boy, that was definitely different than the